Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Exchange rate.
What does the dictionary say?
The value of one currency for the purpose of conversion to another.
Math rap.
Dollar to dollar, pound to yen, we compare the value rates. And then go online or in person for a currency exchange. The value of each currency can greatly range.
Math rap.
Explain exchange rate in your own words. Do some research. Rank the order of the following currencies from most to least in value: yen, pound, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, US dollar. Research. If I have $100 US and I want to do a currency exchange, what would I get in return in yen, ruble, and Canadian dollars today? More research. What currency holds the most exchange rate value today? Even more research. Why do exchange rates vary? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!